In this video, I'm going to show you how to create viewports in AutoCAD. Start by switching to a Layout tab where you want to display your drawing. Next, go to the Layout tab on the ribbon and locate the Layout Viewports panel. From here, you can use the Insert View option to create a viewport directly from your model space. You can also choose Polygonal Viewport if you need a custom-shaped viewport instead of a standard rectangle. Once the viewport is created, double-click inside it to adjust the view and set the desired scale. Double-click outside the viewport when you're finished to return to paper space. Viewports allow you to display different areas of the same drawing at different scales on a single layout. This makes them essential for creating professional sheets and presentation-ready drawings. You can create multiple viewports on one layout to showcase various details and views of your project. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.